Your 3-minute question and answer period for the Scotia Climate Action Challenge will now begin. Have you had any unintended negative effects on the climate through this project, and how did you overcome them?
So for Project Greenlight, we created waste sorting signs to put above the bins on campus. And I guess from some perspective, we had to use resources. We had to use cardboard for our waste sorting signs. So we did have to use paper, but all the paper that Mount Allison uses to print on cardboard is from recycled material. So that is one aspect of it. Padma, do you want to do EnviRoot?
Yes, of course. For EnviRoot, we did use molds to make our particle board. And for the molds, we did use plastic as Petri dishes in science lab. But however, these plastics will be recycled specifically to remake these Petri dishes. So it's like on a loop. So it's not actually going into landfills or burning or producing CO2.
Yeah, for project textbook osmosis, we realized reselling textbooks to students also. The textbook we resell to students also get back to the landfills, because when they're done with it, they rather throw it away or keep it somewhere else where they will later still throw it away. So we created another option for students to rent books with us, which is going to reduce the amount of waste going, because we'll be renting it to other people after use.
What effects has your project had on greenhouse gas emissions, and how was that impact measured?
So Project Greenlight focuses on educating students on waste sorting and how they can do that within Sackville and on campus. So of course, waste sorting is not exactly directly impacting greenhouse gas emissions, but by recycling, we can create new materials out of the plastic bottles that are recycled or the glass that's recycled. So that means that means resources get to be reused and turned into new products, which allows for greenhouse gas emissions to be indirectly reduced.
In terms of EnviRoot, these were reduced significantly because we used a natural glue as an adhesive to glue our particle boards. And natural glue has reduced formaldehyde production, and that has really enhanced the reduction of CO2 emissions over the period of this production.
Can you clarify what you achieved this year versus previous years?
Project Greenlight this year is working in collaboration with the Mount Allison Student Union and Facilities Management to help eco-reps within dorms educate students within residences on environmental sustainability. So we worked with Mount Allison to make sure that eco-reps have proper guidance, that they're receiving proper training, and we're creating a guidebook so that first-year eco-reps feel supported, because currently—
Your time has now expired. Thank you, Enactus Mount Allison.